Question number 11. An insulated tube is filled with a large number of n number of large spheres. Okay, the question is a bit complex. You need to analyze a lot. N number of large spheres. There are so many spheres. Each of mass m, which means what? What's the total mass of the content here? The total mass should be m into n. Okay. The tube is inverted s times. What do? You have the tube like this once. Okay. You throw it this way, invert it this way. So all the lead spheres that you have here will go to the other edge. Okay. And then again, once you once again invert it backwards, which means you do it once like this, do it the second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time, sixth time. You keep on inverting like this. When you do this, what happens? The lead spheres which are present here, it moves upwards, then downwards. Once again goes upwards, downwards, and so on. It keeps on navigating between one point and the other point. Okay. And then this distance is L. The temperature of the spheres is measured before and after the inversions, and the resultant change in temperature is delta T. So as you keep on moving up and down over here, there is a change in temperature. Why do you think there is a change in temperature? The reason is because there is a friction. It goes and hits it, and hence the temperature would have increased. Why does it increase once again? Because there is an energy being produced, right? When this goes and hits it, okay, there is an amount of energy being produced. This increase in energy would have been transferred as the heat energy. So what is the specific heat of lead? Somewhere what you need to do is, you need to convert whatever is the energy you get here to heat energy. That's what you need to do. Okay, let us build a structured framework over this. Now, let me consider only one lead ball here. Only one lead ball whose mass is m, and then it goes and hits this one. Okay, when you invert it. What's the distance traveled L? So, initially, now since it is on the conductor on earth, its gravity is G. Right. So as a result of it, when it goes only, I'm going to take only one marble, then extend it for all the n marbles. Okay. So therefore, n lead spheres, not marbles, n lead spheres. So m is the mass of one lead sphere. It goes and hits it. When it hits it here, when you invert it, what will happen? The speed at which it hits here is v. Let's say, for example, when it is inverted, then you can write v square equal to 2gl. Why is it v square plus 2gl? Why is v square equal to 2gl? Because you can write like this, right? V square equal to u square plus 2a. So u is equal to initial velocity, which was at this point, and when you inverted it, it started moving under the force of gravity, and it hit here with a velocity v. So thus you got this one. Putting u equal to 0, I get the answer is 2gl, right? And now what I do is, when it hit here, because it came and hit over here, it gave some energy to this container over here, and this lead. So what was the energy given to it? The energy associated with this velocity is nothing but kinetic energy, which is half mv square, which should be equal to half m into 2gl, which should be equal to 2 cancels, it should be mgl, right? So one lead sphere, it started from here, it crossed this length L, hit this other part of it, it provided an energy equal to mgl. Now, once again what you do, you invert this once again, okay? Initially, you went like this, and now you inverted it like this once again, right? When you gave this hit over here, the energy given to this is mgl, okay? And when it came back once again there is an energy which has been created, which is mgl once again, right? So therefore, if I do it twice, I get 2 times mgl. If I do it s times, what does it say? It says it is inverted s times over here, and thus s mgl, the total energy which a lead sphere gains is nothing but s times mgl, right? Only one lead sphere. If I take all the n lead spheres, then total energy for n lead spheres is equal to n s m g into l. Did you understand this? So if you do not understand, ask me, put across your comments in your video. In the video, I will definitely like to take up in a much more detailed way. Okay, total energy is equal to n s m g l. This is what we get. Now this energy, what does this energy do? It tries to heat up the lead spheres over here. So how does it heat? When you say heating, what do you mean by that? The heating energy, or the energy in which the temperature of the spheres got heated up, is given by Q is equal to mc delta T, right? Now what is this m? Mass of this collection of these lead spheres. So what is the total mass of this one? This should be n times m. Okay. Now this energy should be equated to this energy, because both are equal, right? You got this energy only because of the motion of these spheres like this. So if I equate this, I can now write n s m g l is equal to n m c delta T, where c is specific heat. So what all get cancelled? M goes away, n goes away, m goes away, m goes away. And thus your rising temperature delta T is equal to SGL divided by C. What is it we need? We need not the rising temperature, specific heat capacity. Okay, so we need the value of C. Value of C should be equal to SGL by delta T. Which is the right answer here? The answer is P. Okay, hope you understood the solution. This is the way how you need to do it. Okay, let us move on to the next.